Welcome back to the channel.
I can see your dummy.
Hello. I don't even know how to start this. Alright. Ready? Keep rolling. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new, hello. It's been a minute since did I say hello at the beginning? I said hello. Hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to throw a jab. There's many different ways to throw the jab, and people throw it in many different situations to set up punches, as well as to hurt their opponent. Today I'm going to show you all the different ways you can do that, as well as how to go to the body. Alright, the first is simple. It's how most people throw the jab. A lot of people forget to turn over their punches in boxing, but that's how you add the most impact. Sometimes you can even turn it over a little bit more, and then it'll be even sharper. But you just want to step in and throw the jab. So do it slow a couple times, and show you what it real time. You want to be precise with it. If your opponent has a high guard like this, you might want to throw it like this. That's one of the times where it's okay not to turn it over. Simply if you're ever trying to go to the body, which is one of my favorite punches, a jab to the body, make sure you bend your knees, or else you can get uppercut right to the chin. Now I'm going to show you different combinations that the jab can set up. Obviously, you have the simple jab and then a cross, which I will teach you in another video. It's a simple 1-2. With this bag, because it moves so much, I can't really do as much of a powerful jab, but if you want to slice right through your opponent's guard, just you can also do a double jab and then a cross. Double jab to the body. Multiple jabs to the body can also set up a rear uppercut. There's other combinations and other punches off the jab, but that's all I'm going to show you today. Have a nice one.